Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you Class 2 English Chapter 4. Class 2 English Chapter 4. If I met. If I met a crow, I should say ka ka. If I met a lamb, I should say ba ba. If I met a cow, I should say moo moo. If I met a dog, I should say cuckoo. If I met a dog, I should say bo. If I met a cat, I should say meow. If I met a crocodile, I should say why? Nothing at all. I should just run away. तो देखो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे इफ आई मेट। अगर मैं उसके साथ मुलाकात करूं तो इफ आई मेट ए क्रो आई शुड से काका। अगर मैं क्रो के साथ मुलाकात करूं तो मैं काका करूंगा। इफ आई मेट ए लैम्प आई शुड से बाबा। अगर मैं एक लैम्प के साथ मिलूं तो मैं बाबा करूंगा। If I met a cow, I should say moo moo. अगर मैं एक काव के साथ मिलूं तो फिर मैं moo moo करूंगा। Then if I met a dog, I should say cuckoo. अगर मैं एक डॉग के साथ मिलूं तो फिर मैं कुकू करूंगा। If I met a dog, I should say bo. अगर मैं एक डॉग के साथ मिलूं तो फिर मैं वो करूंगा। Then if I met a cat, I should say meow. अगर मैं एक कैट के साथ मिलूं तो फिर मैं म्याऊ कहूंगा। If I met a crocodile, I should say अगर मैं एक क्रोकोडाइल के साथ मिलूं तो फिर मैं क्या कहूंगा? मैं कहूंगा why? क्यों कहूंगा? Nothing at all. कुछ नहीं कहूंगा। I should just run away. मैं वहां से भाग जाऊंगा। क्यों? क्रोकोडाइल हमें काट लेगा, है कि नहीं? अगर क्रोकोडाइल आपके सामने आ जाए तो उसके साथ आप खेलोगे क्या? नहीं, तो वहां से भाग जाएगा। तो वो भी कह रहा है इफ आई मेट ए क्रोकोडाइल देन आई शुड जस्ट रन अवे। अगर क्रोकोडाइल के साथ मुलाकात हो गया तो फिर मैं वहां से भागूंगा। तो चिल्ड्रन चैप्टर फिनिश हो गया। तो हम इसी पार्ट में क्वेश्चन आंसर भी इसका डिस्कशन करेंगे। नंबर 1, आंसर द क्वेश्चंस इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेस। आंसर द क्वेश्चंस इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेस। नंबर 1, व्हाट डज ए क्रो से? व्हाट डज ए क्रो से? इट सेज काका। It says kaka. Number 2, what does a cat say? What does a cat say? Answer, it says meow. It says meow. Number 3, what does a dog say? It says bobo. It says bobo. Number 4, what does a cow say? What does a cow say? Answer, it says moo moo. It says moo moo. Number 5, what does a dog say? What does a dog say? It says cuckoo. It says cuckoo. Number 6, what does a lamb say? What does a lamb say? It says baba. It says baba. The next word power, complete its sentence with the right word. तो बॉक्स में है देखो ऑप्शन केव, होल, वेब, नेस्ट, कैनल, वाटर। नंबर 1, ए फिश लिव्स इन डैश। ए फिश लिव्स इन डैश। आंसर, वाटर। ए फिश लिव्स इन वाटर। नंबर 2, ए डॉग लिव्स इन ए डैश। A dog lives in a dash. Answer, kennel. The dog lives in a kennel. Number 3, A bird lives in a dash. A bird lives in a dash. Answer, nest. The bird lives in a nest. Number 4, a lion lives in a dash. A lion lives in a dash. Answer, cave. A lion lives in a cave. Number 5, a mouse lives in a dash. A mouse lives in a dash. Answer, hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Number 6, a spider lives in a dash. A spider lives in a dash. Web. A spider lives in a web. Next, grammar in use. Work in pairs. Complete the sentences under D. Under A में है dogs bark. Number 1 dogs bark. Number 2 cats meow. Number 3 cocks crow. Number 4 lambs bleat. Number 5 lions roar. Number 6 frogs croak. Under B, number 1, a dog dash. A dog dash. A dog barks. Answer is barks. A dog barks. Number 2, a cat dash. A cat meows. Answer is meows. A cat meows. Number 3, a cock crows. A cock dash. A cock crows. A cock crows. Answer is इसका crows. A lamb dash. A lamb bleats. A lamb bleats. Answer is bleats. Number 5, a lion roars. A lion roars. Answer is roars. Number 6, a frog dash. A frog croaks. Answer is croaks. A frog croaks. Next part. Answer each question in a complete sentence. The first one is done for you. Number 1. What would you do if you were a lion? What would you do if you were a lion? Answer, I would roar if I were a lion. I would roar if I were a lion. Number 2, what would you do if you were a cock? What would you do if you were a cock? Answer, I would crow. I would crow if I were a cock. I would crow if I were a cock. Number 3, what would you do if you were a cat? What would you do if you were a cat? I would meow. I would meow if I were a cat. I would meow if I were a cat. Next, number 4, what would you do if you were a frog? What would you do if you were a frog? Answer, I would croak. I would croak if I were a frog. I would croak if I were a frog. Next, sound. All those words have the K sound. For example, crow, C, K sound, buck, K sound, black, CK, K sound. Now, write the letters that have the K sound in those words. Number 1, back. Back. Answer is CK. Number 2, coat. Coat. Answer is C. Number 3, cat. Answer is C. Number 4, key. Answer is K. Key. Answer is K. की में कौन सा K साउंड होता है? K. नंबर 5, स्टिक. स्टिक में कहाँ है K साउंड? कहाँ आता है? CK. ठीक है. Number 5 stick, answer is C, K. Number 6 cow, cow, answer is C. Number 7 lake, lake, answer is K-E. Number 8 duck, answer is C-K. Number 9 luck, answer is C-K. Number 10 look, the answer is K, look, K. Then last short forms, short forms. यहाँ पर बॉक्स में, वर्ड बॉक्स में उसका आंसर है, वहां से हम ढूंढ के लिखेंगे. राइट द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स. नंबर 1 आई विल, आई विल, आई विल का शॉर्ट फॉर्म हम लिखेंगे आई अपोस्ट्रोफी एल एल, आई अपोस्ट्रोफी एल एल, आई विल. नंबर 2 इट इज, इट इज, आंसर आई टी apostrophe s, I T apostrophe s. Number 3 I am, I am का शॉर्ट फॉर्म है I apostrophe m, I am, I apostrophe m. Number 4 you have, you have, इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है y o u, you apostrophe b e, y o u apostrophe b e, you have. Number 5 did not, did not, answer d I d n apostrophe t, d I d n apostrophe t, did not. Number 6 will not, will not, answer W O N apostrophe T, will not, W O N apostrophe T. Number 7 cannot, number 7 cannot, answer C A N apostrophe T, can't, C A N apostrophe T. Number 8 they are, number 8 they are, answer T H E Y, they apostrophe R E, T H E Y apostrophe R E, they are.